Hello friends, it's me again, your best friend, Crypto Summary Doge. What if I told you that it's not too late to become a millionaire in the crypto space today? I know what you are thinking of. All those people who hit the jackpot by starting their investments years back, when Bitcoin's price was not more than a cup of coffee. But, good news, there are still ways that can make you a crypto millionaire. And today, I'll share 5 tips on how to do so. Our first and foremost tip is very simple, yet a very effective one. Know what you are investing in. Now you might say, Doge, come on, I am not a silly goose, I know what cryptos I'm investing in, I even know how to do my research. Well, my good friend, that's nice that you know how to get into space, but the point I am trying to make is nowhere near that. A good question to ask ourselves here is why we are investing in crypto instead of the stock market? If the answer is to get rich quickly, as a smart crypto Doge, I can tell you that there is a problem here. Essentially, the most important thing why you choose to invest in crypto should be the technology itself. So, learning all ins and outs of blockchain technology and understanding the fundamentals of it, believe it or not, will help your investments grow. Because if you get the essence of what problems blockchain technology can solve, then you will have more insights into the crypto projects that are all around. And, eventually, you will be able to get the gut feeling of what is a legitimate project and what is not. Even more so, this will form an educated individual who knows exactly what they are doing. So you're lucky enough to have this opportunity to subscribe to our Crypto Summary channel. A few lucky exceptions aside, millionaires are the ones who have the power of knowledge, discipline, and patience. So keep this in mind while you're on the road to wealth. A good starting point would be following blockchains and their ecosystem on social media, like Discord, Twitter, and Telegram. While you are at it, understand what people are doing on blockchain ecosystems and what they are trying to achieve. Moving on to the next tip. Don't surrender to your emotions when you are investing. Now, this might sound funny, but if you know a little bit about greed and fear emotions, you will know that they play a big role in both crypto and traditional investing. And the more volatile the market is, the more emotions you experience. In this case, I mean the crypto market. For example, when the market is bullish, you might start thinking that if you don't invest now, you'll be missing out. Here, what makes you say that is a concept referred to as fear of missing out, or FOMO as the cool kids say. However, it's proven that the best time to invest can be determined by gathering all 3 analysis types, sentimental, fundamental, and technical, so that you can make a logical conclusion that will earn you profits. Our third tip is to have a strategy. After all, if you want to become a millionaire, you can't invest randomly and expect to become one. Remember, crypto is a business and all businesses have strategies. So if you put a strategy into work for buying and selling crypto, you will be closer to your goal than investing blindly. I can give a good example. Let's say you make profits, so you could reinvest 15% of what you made as a part of your plan. And if you are overwhelmed by the market, choose to step back and don't invest for a period of time. In the long run, your investments will be at a level where you can't even believe how that happened. And now, let's talk about our next tip, which is to invest in early projects. But Doge, I am not sure of what would be an early project that's not a scam and could make me a millionaire. Here, you need to do some research and stick with the first tip I gave you. After you spot a couple of projects, just take a step back and understand whether they have potential or not. And how do you ask? Start from what problems the project is planning to solve, or what value the project brings to the world. And, I am not talking about general blockchain problems that giants are already struggling to solve, like transaction speed or scalability issues. Now, you have to be very nitpicky and look for unique solutions rather than empty promises. If you found that one project, congratulations. You might actually be the next millionaire. Just make sure you're investing money that you're not afraid to lose. And the last tip this crypto enthusiastic Doge can give you is very simple, but also not that simple, which is don't work harder but work smarter. That sounds rather vague, let me expand on it. Make your crypto do the work for you. Now there are a few ways to do that, like staking, yield farming, and liquidity providing. These ways are all different from each other, but one thing remains in common. They are all connected with this idea of not doing anything actively. Your coins generate income for you, which we call passive income. What happens here is that you make money on interest rates. Of course, there are some high risks here, but in the long run, the passive income also can make you a millionaire. And that's all from me, folks. Keep in mind that none of what I said is a piece of financial advice. I am just a Doge that loves crypto and education, hence that's why I'm here. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any opinions, make sure that you leave them in the comments down below. I really care what you think. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.